Now who they call me self? Hello, OGB.
Oga Jabez, what do you do now?
Oh man, nothing much. Oh, heat just stay inside house. I still make I come out now, get small fresh air.
As you see me, I feel like crying.
I beg, no cry, yo. You never reach like that, oh. Waiting the sub. Waiting happen now. Waiting be the problem now. Talk to me.
Oga Jabez, I need help from you. You go feel like me 50,000.
This thing they ask me na big favor, na big something you they ask me, yo. You sure say you go pay me this money? You sure?
This month I go pay you. Let me 50,000. I must pay you.
Because now the problem now be say this money no be my own money sef. Na money wey dey contribute for my area for NEPA bill and everybody don contribute. And if I no pay this thing, they go beat me sef. They go beat me, scatter my eye, blow my eye. This money no be my own, abeg. You sure say you go pay me this money?
Oga Jabez, I can never disappoint you. No save my friend, I dey toilet for you.
Okay, na no problem na. You say na only 1 month abi? You go get the alert now. I go transfer the money for you now. You go get the alert now. No wahala now. No problem.
Over 1 month later.
Welcome to my house now. I don't see a here day.
Okay.
Oh man, this una house fine o. E be like say AC dey all these rooms wey dey everywhere.
Welcome.
Who no go welcome for this kind fine house?
You waka come. Okay.
Ahem. Good afternoon. E get something wey I wan remind you. I don't know if you don forget.
Wait. Don't rush me. Person they call me.
Okay.
Boss, this man wey you borrow am 5,000 naira still dey here dey disturb us o.
Come on, get mind. Why I borrow that 5,000?
Yes, na him. Him say him name na Oga David. Him dey disturb us too much o. Okay, boss. Abeg, wetin we go do am?
Kill him. Throw him. Waste time.
Okay, boss. We go kill am now. Boss, na wow o. Some people no get fear of God o. How you go borrow cultist money still dey tell am to pay you back?
Now I for fear no dey for I go borrow cultist money. Get one make it pay you. Life no sweet you.
Boss, make I no waste your time. Abeg, bullets don dey here already. No forget to buy more.
Oga Jabez, no first from you for the interruption.
Jesus Christ. Oh man. That gun loud well.
Yes, sir, very well. The gun shoot. The sound well.
Do me like this.
Oga Jabez the original. This one where you come. I sure say good news go there.
Do me like this.
No be like say plenty good news there. E get something wey I bin wan remind you, but the way things dey go now, e be like say I go change my mind. I no go remind you again. Abi I no dey see you again.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they
Person wey
waiting.
dey carry for shoulder no be human being be this. No be dead body dey carry for shoulder like this.
Yes, now I want the body where they don't shoot. They won't go throw one for backyard.
But abeg, I wan ask question. That person wey dey shoot for this your backyard wey you say make dey shoot. Abeg, wetin that person do you?
Yes, now the man no fear cutting. Borrow me 5,000. Come say make I pay him. They don't waste time.
Wait. E be like say I no hear you well. The person, he say na this person wey lend you 5,000 because the person ask of the money back. You tell your cultist boys to kill am.
Forget that one. They don't shoot and throw him. You welcome. Any good news wey carry come today?
Photo, not be juju be that.
No good news oh. You no go understand. No good news, no good. I just come make I come greet my old time friend. You know say you na my friend now. I just make I come greet you. No be like say good news dey.
The blood we are
Wait,
sharing,
abeg. Make you no be like say I no understand you well. Wait, person wey lend you 5,000 wey you dey in need. So because of say the person ask for him money back, why you tell your cultist boys to kill am for this
Oga
house?
Jabez, which one I come dey cry like this? Now wetin do you? I mean, you know the man somewhere in the body dey pay you.
No be like say I dey cry o, no be tears o, na tears of joy. You no go understand wetin God don do for me for this life. Na tears of joy.
You think say you
No
dey wise?
wahala na I go dey go my house. No wahala. The thing wey I wan tell you I don do.